it's rocketing through the vacuum of space at a staggering 2.2 million miles per hour. But it isn't just leaving a void behind. As it is tearing through the space, it is compressing gas to create 200,000 light year trails of newborn stars, a bridge of light longer than our own Milky Way. So let's find out more about this. Imagine something so powerful, so immense that it can wrap space-time itself. Now imagine that thing not just existing but moving. Not just moving slowly but rocketing through the cosmos at speed almost incomprehensible. And this isn't science fiction anymore, and it is a newly confirmed reality brought to us by the incredible eyes of James Webb Space Telescope. So for the first time ever, astronomers have confirmed a runaway black hole, a supermassive monster ejecting from its home galaxy, hurtling through the universe at an astonishing, very surprising and kind of a 2.2 million miles per hour. With this kind of speed. And here is the kicker. It is not just a destructive force. It is actually it is leaving a brilliant 200,000 light year of trail brand of new stars. And this is the universe's greatest escape. It is fundamentally changing how we see black holes. So this incredible discovery didn't actually came from a simple snapshot. Black hole by their very nature are invisible and they don't emit light. So how did the JWST telescope designed to peer into the infrared confirm something so elusive? So the key was the trail. Right? For years, scientists have been observing a peculiar linear feature, a bright streak in a distant galaxy. It looks like a cosmic contrail, but what was causing it? That was a mystery. The initial hypothesis was fascinating, perhaps a black hole, but proving it required the unparalleled sensitivity of Webb telescope. So using JWST's infrared instruments, scientists have, and now they are actually studying very deeply, were able to detect the signature of compressed gas and more importantly, the young hot blue stars forming along this trail. So these aren't just a random star, they are incredibly concentrated like beads on a string, all pointing back to the single rapid moving object. So the telescope's ability to see through the dust and gas is truly pinpoint the heat and chemical signatures was crucial. Without JWST, this cosmic escape artist would have been remained just a theory or maybe a mystery. So how does this supermassive black hole, typically anchored at the center of galaxy and get launched into the void at such a breakneck speed? And it is not just slowly drifting away. It is an event of unimaginable violence, a cosmic galactical slingshot. So the most compelling theory involve truly mind-bending celestial dance, a three-body interaction. Imagine two galaxies merging. So their supermassive black hole, each millions or even billions of times the massive of our sun, begin to orbit each other. And a binary black hole system, and this is just a very spectacular event. So but now imagine a third galaxy or perhaps another significant gravitational kind of rotation, entering this already chaotic dance, doing that kind of feature which is being observed by the telescope. So this third player can create an immense instability and in a phenomena, and it is just called the gravitational recoil. So the term which is being used by the scientists. So the interaction can become extreme, and that one of the black hole gets an energetic kick, a colossal boost that sends its careening out of the gravitational grip of a newly merged galaxy. So think of like a game of cosmic billiard, but on a scale that is defies the imagination. The energy requires to accelerate something so massive to 2.2 million miles per hour, fast enough to travel from Earth to Moon in under 7 minutes. And it's simply very, very surprising, very, very astounding. And this isn't just a fast, it is escape velocity for an entire galaxy. So this is where the story gets even more incredible. We often associate black hole with destruction, so devouring the stars, crushing matter, forming the ultimate cosmic dead ends. But this runaway black hole is doing something truly extraordinary. It is creating life, specifically new stars. So as this rogue black hole blasts through the intergalactic medium, the sparse gas and dust that exist between the galaxy, it creates a massive shock wave. Think of it like a supersonic jet flying through the atmosphere, creating a sonic boom. But instead of just sound, this shock wave is compressing the diffuse gas in its path. So this compression in the crucial ingredient of a star formation. When the gas clouds are squeezed tightly enough, the gravity takes over and causing them enough gravity and causing them to collapse and heat up, eventually igniting into a brilliant hot young blue star. The trail we see stretching from one very, very surprising, very, very kind of a very interesting 200,000 light year is literally nursery of newborn sun, and all thanks to chaotic passage of this escaping black hole. So it is a bizarre cosmic irony, a force often associated with ultimate consumption, and is a kind of creating a unique circumstances, acting as a catalyst of creation. Definitely we are talking about new stars, and this 200,000 light year long streak of star is more than double the diameter of our own Milky Way galaxy. So imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a line of stars stretching across the entire horizon from one end to other. And this single discovery has profound implication for our understanding of galactic evolution and the role of supermassive black holes. So firstly, it confirmed that these galactic slingshot events are real and can indeed eject a black hole at extreme velocities. And this means that this could be many more rogue black hole wandering in the universe, and then we had no idea or very slightest idea we have ever imagined these kind of processes in the universe. Dark unseen giants, silent traveling in the cosmos, and how many are there? That is again a very big question. So what impact do they have on our intergalactic gases? And we are only just beginning to ask these questions. So second, it provides a new mechanism for star formation. So while Star formation typically happens within the galaxies in dense molecular clouds. This shows that the massive shock waves from escaping black hole can also act as a cosmetic seed planter, and this wake of star could be a signature we look for elsewhere, helping us to identify the runaway black holes. And the third is that it adds another layer of complexities to galaxies mergers. So these mergers are crucial for galaxy growth, but they are clearly not always neat and tidy affair. They can be violent and chaotic event that literally kicks out these most massive residents, altering the fundamental structure and evolution of resulting galaxies. So this challenges the long held idea that every large galaxy must have a supermassive black hole at its core. Perhaps some don't, because their black hole took the greatest escape path. So this discovery is yet another testament to the incredible capabilities of James Webb Space Telescope. So before JWST, detecting such a faint, distant and complex phenomena would have been impossible. So this infrared vision allows us to pierce through the cosmic dust and gas and that obscures so much of the universe, revealing the processes that are literally fundamental to the existence. From peering back to these very first stars and galaxies and to analyzing the atmospheres of exoplanets, now confirming runaway black hole that creates stars in their wake, and JWST continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge. So each data or each image each creates a data point, opens up new avenues of inquiry, challenges our preconceived notion and how the universe works. That is definitely we are learning more with the help of JWST. So it reminds that the cosmos is far more dynamic and more violent